Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warwick Hill TV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warwick Hill TV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see? Set the path for the youth them. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit. Yes, I. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the First. You see, and I think that's good. See? Now, I'm gonna have a feature from the other day, the Chronicle of the Steppa. See? Particularly at the moment here we are listening with Jaboni. We are listening to Jaboni. You see, Jabi, all ass, assy, the mad ass, not the mad ass, the badass. I keep saying that. The badass. You see, yeah. No. You see, all the while I'm trying to get a reflection of what the thing was like back in the days. The gangster business. Seeing the stepping, because I saw them man there call it. Seeing and the reason for it, the foundation and the beginning. Because enough man will look on it like say, well then, some man mash up the country and then wait. Yes, all of these things, you know, it's down to certain opinion. You know, see it, and the discussion is always open. Yes, everybody have their preference and them choice in terms of politics and things like that. But still, what was political will be political. It had an agenda, it had an aim, whether it was against you or for you. You know, see it. So we give thanks for the experience of Jaboni, and then all we do it, we bring it up from Youth Street, come right up, so that everybody can have an understanding, not what motivate one to, you know, may I say, do certain things, but the nudges, the unconscious directors, you know, see it, social directors and things like that, will nudge youth in a certain position. You know, see it, I know the item a grasp and a gather insights and knowledge from my brother do it, and my big brother do it. You see it, and them man have experience and knowledge to get the item, and hopefully I'm gonna link up with a whole heap more of the man them where have them experience and is prepared to share. Whether you want to show your face or not, you can still do a video and hide your face. You don't have to put on a mask, you can put your face around there, so you don't see it, you don't know. But without any further ado, we'll continue with the series. You know, see it officially. The badass. You know, see it, Jaboni. Enough respect, enough love and honors.
Yes, badass pan them case again. Yeah, what we there? Yeah, we take the site of Remand Center on Melcalf Street. See? Before we go any further, see the whip here? And one of them buy a car they use and beat me. See that? The jacket whip, we never know, yeah? One of this, them use and beat me in the garden. See? Anyway, so now, big Nissan, my choice, take with 2 bike and then pick up a chase with 103. So if you don't know anything about Jamaica Security Force at the time, 103 is the top sector bounty hunters. See, in the government top bounty hunters. 103 name after 103 Hope Road, which is the commissioner office. So these are the commissioner top boys them, yeah? So it's 103 I chase the man them, see? So I now take the center, take the payroll, a command center, and come out on foot in the knockings with Digness and them. So the Digness them turn on a race course lane, right? And we come out from Melcalf Street and 103 come round from Alpha Girling Street into us. Now, you have to know now, at the time, And we are around the country, governmental wise. Right? So when we come out now them now, the 103 boys them, because here will lead the squad now. Barry Hamilton, and him will lead the squad. So let me tell you about Barry Hamilton now. Barry Hamilton, at them time, Barry Hamilton at the top. You see, like how them time Barry was the Adams. He was the Adams in the squad at the time. Because them man they suppressed Tony Hewitt and them at the top police there. So Barry, because you have to know, just like in a bad man thing, where certain man get a run after the thing, them time they a Barry and run the thing. Now, tell about me and Barry now. Barry, Eptone, the group Eptone, mash up, I think late 60s, Eptone mash up. Leroy go and go to Canada. So I think in a 1974, Police Barry, put on a dance where this is the first time now the group Eptone are going to come back to sing in Jamaica as a group. The dance was out of Mountain View Avenue, a place called Blinking Beacon. Now, the night, the minister got the dance, called big dance. And me and George, Million Teeth, me and Million Teeth as part of them time. Because them time, me just come from prison, like me tell them, I just come from prison. And I catch back the running. So, Million Teeth knew me from me a little youth because you have to know now the family there. Soon tell them last name. But Million Teeth family are one big Trench Town family that. Respect goes out to him little brother, Doctor. Yeah. My whole Doctor Errol Shorter, and Danny Dodds. Them in the same esteem in my book. Them three youth, they never turn them back on I. Me and them youth, they grow. Doctor little youth for me, but still, Doctor respect me and rate me. That them Doctor take care of me right through the thing. So more and Doctor and his family realize that I hold him in a big respect. Now, moon right along. So the dance a Blinking Beacon now, a Barry dance, police Barry dance from 103. Me and the minister and Million Teeth go at the dance. But I me a sting, so I me have the stinger. So because me have the stinger, me jam behind the dance gate. But me just dead because I me have the stinger and the minister in the dance. So me position myself where everything where I come to the dance, me get vigil of them. So me behind the gate and thing, and some man from out of Warwick come at the dance. But Barry a police now. Barry not really response for no boy. Come a police, but him never have no gun. So this is the problem now. Barry not have no gun, but me have a Beretta behind the gate. So I jam with my Beretta. I dice out everything will come in. So when the man them from Warwick now step to the gate, Barry as a police now start go on the most wickedest way so the man can come in free and thing, and the man might tell him say, yo, how are you this you talk about man can come in free and thing. So while Barry go on, Barry not a stinger, but the man them pop off from Barry. When the man them pop off from Barry, it's me that now from behind the gate now, see where I go on now, come off from the Beretta, but when I come off now, I put my Beretta, so the man them not see who, come I just put my gun round the gate. When I put my gun round the gate, Barry rip out my gun out of my hand and start nail it. So Barry and them now, cause Barry, remember say police well trained and things, so Barry start beat it and them take with themselves. When Barry come back, Barry lift me up Barry no know me, but he must lift me up and I say, boy, my youth, me glad you there, no, because me never there, me dead. And give back my things. So now, through that time when they go on, now, the minister and Milan decide, say, they might take with themselves. So, we take ourselves. All right. So, we know what we do. Barry get for know me now, because Barry get for know, say, yo, them youth, it's like a PMP dance. Because Barry a PMP police. So now, moving forward now, when we come out at the site, so I'm going to tell you the link between me and the police boy kill my virgin. When we come out at the site, Barry, as they say, him and Dignis them in the knockings and the chase. So now to a Rima, because there's a Rima too, you know. You have to know there's a Rima. So when we and them engage now, them I think now say, we are some Rima man pan foot. So, Dignis and my choice, right gone and leave the knockings to we. So the knockings start between we and them and me, Danny, Riba, I think Nanny, call Clarence in the pan works there, you know. Clarence pan, you know. At the time not dead yet. We take to the hill, which is Nelson Street Hill now. So when we run down Nelson Street, Danny and Riba run in a baby G yard. See? Pan Nelson Street. But I man jump over the wall, take down First Street, over the wall again, dropping up Bread Lane, and take for myself. Danny run up in a baby G granny yard, in a baby G granny house, and go up in a the wild job. But the pressure so hard that Riba hold on pan baby G granny. And Barry run up in there and put 5-piece pan Riba in a baby G granny hand. Can you believe this, Rasta? The man shoot up the man in the old lady hand. Right? So, you see that now? When everything clear up now, Danny run out of the yard straight to jungle. See? Clarence will already live a jungle because his mother live up there and his brother up there and thing. And they are Lizard Town. So that works shock every man because PMP police kill Riba. A police when me saved 3 weeks ago out of East. Cause that me I cry them time, they say, blood clot, look how me save you 3 weeks ago. And you come back, come kill my virgin. And him I say, boy, him thing say, a Rima man them him engage with. Him never know say, are we? Which is true, him never know say, are we? Cause a knockings are going, no man now look for see who. A police and bad boy in a knockings. Simple. So, the man them now end up wild bun split. Wild bun split because me never go a jungle because me also get a flagging a jungle. Yeah. So, let me tell you about the flagging there too. Because I want it real. Me dey on Nelson Street up on the hill one day. And me say, pang, right, come up at the top of the yard and Nelson Street. And me down on the hill. So me see him and I call him and I say, hey, come here. That me I call the man for reason the man in the car. Them time there, we are one. Nothing but pang go up a jungle, go tell the man them say, him go down a Rima and see me down a Rima. I call him down a Rima. So you know that go now. The man them, none of that too. Pang said that.